What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney.
When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, viewers and subscribers. How no do? How no stay? No, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Go check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, and make the doctor come over if you have the money. If you don't worry yourself. Make somebody bring you to the doctor. And guys, remember what you do. Wellness check. Do some wellness check for your friends, your family, and also your enemy. How no do? No, all right? You know like me look? Wait a little bit. You know like that one, huh? I don't like it when it stays so. Or you like this one or this one? I don't like it so. My viewers and subscribers, when them say me can't dress. They say me look like, but me just put on a little, just so me can make them see say. Say don't know how feel frightened. Trouble again. Nary come out today. Hold on a little bit, my people. Wait a little bit. Before we talk about Nary, make we talk about Vybz Studio. What is the... Hold on a little bit. We're gonna there. Gonna say, Nary must have some balls and come out. Gonna, why you there? Let me see if I can ask you a question. Which part you go hold them balls when Nary come out with? Because them balls when Nary come out, oversized balls them there. Which part you have? You have anywhere can hold them the kind of balls, cause them the balls big when Nary come out. Nary come shut no up. All I want to talk about Nary, a deadbeat father. Make me tell you about deadbeat and dirty beat father. Who is that? Vybz Studio. Hey, and here you see the video where Vybz Studio make. Vybz Studio carry out in data, panning channel. I show a gun and the data lift up the shirt with the gun there. Vybz Studio, who say me such of a good father, I'm the best father. Tell in data fi tell me fi go back juice me mother. Yes, in telling data fi go suck back juice my mother. And guess what happened? Not only the data say it, the son say it too. But also, Vybz was intoxicated. He was drunk. So you so much illegal things he's doing right on social media. One, he was drunk. Two, he showed a firearm, crank up a firearm. Three, he threatened me and tell me, say, him I go put 10 in my head. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Vybz Studio been saying how much of a dad he is. He's the best dad in the world. He's the best dad. But Vybz Studio, the display, when me see a display on YouTube, it shows you are a nobody, just like what many of us think. And no, you are a nobody. It's a disgrace for what display you show along with your daughter and telling your daughter to tell me to go and suck back juice my mother. Now, let me say this to you. If I tell my daughter to go and tell somebody to do that, you know what my daughter is going to say? What does that mean, Daddy? And when I explain what it means, she going to say, no, Daddy, that's rude. But you say those things around your kids so much that it's embedded in their body. Wow, what a dad you are. Yay! Congratulations! Congratulations, Vybz. You are the worst dad in the world. Congratulations to be the worst father in Norway, plus in the world. How do you think your mother, which is their grandmother, feel right now knowing that you intoxicated on YouTube and tell your kids to tell a man, a grown man, a big man, to go and suck back juice his mother? And you feel like you have done something right. You feel like you have done something so good. You feel like you win the lottery. You all talk about money, 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 money. That's all you talk about. You're not giving thanks for the accident that you were in, that you're able to be alive. You're talking about your daughter save you. It's not your daughter save you. You should have gone over there. You should have gone over there because apparently you believe that you are the only man with a pipe. You believe you are the only man. And I tell you the truth, not even a fly you ever, and I go in there. Not even a fly you never step on yet in your life. But you are call yourself good father. And then you have the audacity to come out here and come talk about me, touch boy, in my community. Me need if you go in my community, go ask them. Which boy me touch, when me touch boy. You don't have to put no respect on my name, because I know look respect from dirty mind people. Me not go around and live off of what a person say about me. No, I don't do that. People been talking every kind of things about everybody in this world. If you worry about what them say about you, you go have problems. So Vybz, on the behalf of me, myself, and I, and my wonderful and beautiful subscribers, you should have go hide in our bush. Because you say you are the best father. And as far as me concerned, you are the worst father. You are a drunkard. You are a drunkard. You are a junkie. You is a junkie. You is a drunker. You is a drunk. Vybz, you don't even have a composition in your head to communicate. Not even that you can't comprehend. You can't comprehend that in your head. Me ask you a question, idiot. And the question me ask you was if you would like for somebody to be doing that to your daughter and you get mad, come out, say hi, I drag your daughter in a mud when you was the one who dragging Alicia Kim name in a mud. Look at how you deal with Nari and look how Nari come out today and take all of you to school. Nari, big up your stomach. Big up your stomach, Nari. Nari, let me tell you something you would. I come on upon the scene late. Yes, I come on upon the scene late upon the live. And Nari, I tell you the truth. Me not watch the video yet. Me go watch it later on. But me people, the little part of the video where me catch, the last part of the video where me catch. Because me doubt I do some things. When Nari I talk about where him try to get him kid, to come spend time with him. And all these things that he have done, try to get him kid. And the mother I try to stop him. All who know I do a beat down Nari and Nari wife estranged wife. We are going like Nari are the worst man. Never did he even tell him, say, Nari is the one who have the child where the two of them have together. She not even come out and say that. So uno see it, uno did they talk about Nari, uno a cuss Nari, and Nari make you look like dog dodo. Nari make you and your fatherhood where you say you are the best father, you are the worst father in the world. Vybz studio. Nari make you look like poop. Nari make you look like poop. Brother, Vybz, you need to take a page out of Nari book. You believe having a kid, give them money when they want it, and tell them shit, and tell them dirty word, and tell them if you go tell man, if you go suck back juice them mother, you think that's a father? You think that's a good father? Eh? You think that's a good father? When you talk about go around and breed girl and can't take care of them, but you give your daughter money and you give your kids them money and anything them ask for, them not hear no from you. You think that mean you're a good father? Eh? You think that mean you're a good father, and then you come out and talk about how you are going to live for me for 2026 because you are the one where take down CMR channel. You know do nothing to CMR channel. When CMR strike you, you fall up. When CMR strike you, you fall up. So stop over there going like you think me afraid of you, cause me, a one man, me not afraid of people. Because guess what? Nobody know the day, the time, or the hour. So get a life, youth. Remember, you say you want to be like me. And why you want to be like me? Because I how me talk. I know me present myself. But you cannot be like me. You will never be like me. You grudge me for who I am. Remember, you said that upon your own life. Not me said that. I grudge your grudge. I carry feelings for people. That's all you do. Carry feelings for people. You're too bad, man. 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 Vybz, you're too bad, man. You're too bad, man. Praise the Lord. Oh. Vybz, you're too bad, man, dirty boy. You're bad, man. You come out and you have your daughter. You bring your daughter up on social media. Nobody say anything bad about your daughter, you know. Even you yourself admit, say, I am right. Even you admit that I am right about what I say. My viewers and subscribers, you must ask the question how me know all of that. I mean, I live in Norway. Eh? Me no live in Norway. Me no live in Norway. And you yourself say me right about what me say. So if me right about what me say, why you so upset? What else you're hiding? Because remember when me say, your name call, your name did call. However, there is no proof that you do anything. Because if there was proof that you do anything, I would have known and I would have find out, but your name called, your name was called. I mean, I take that back. Your name was called in a taxi situation. I mean, I take back that. However, it was not proven that you was involved because nothing, nobody, in other words, people's mouth was shut. Nobody would open their mouth. And I go say one of the reasons maybe why nobody didn't open their mouth is because the same name you have Clive Lawrence is the same name Karachi, Georgia have. So let me say this to you. Dopey know if you frighten. And you see, you are crank up gun pan YouTube and you are drink and I get drunk and hey, you're alcoholic. You are alcoholic. You are workless boy, Vybz Studio. You can't take pressure and throw pressure upon people. You are workless boy, Vybz Studio. You can't deal with me. You have time to sit down and make video of me for the rest of here. No problem. Continue. I won't be making another one after this. This will be the last time you hear me open my mouth on the YouTube channel with your name in my mouth. Because guess what happened? You is nothing close to who I am. You is not anything close to who I am. And I go say this to you too. You will never be me. One of the questions, you say you left Jamaica when you were young. My question to you, you don't have to answer this. How young was you when you were in Jamaica driving taxi? How young were you when you get a license in Jamaica to drive taxi? That's the question. You don't have to answer it. Because even if you answer it, you won't hear me make nothing after it. But let me tell you something. You see, when you're going to come on YouTube or anywhere and you act like you are hide, but just realize your friend who is Rumram, the trucker, in the comment section he asks if that's he says if it's a Glock. He did not even say to you, where you are the man, what's that? He asks if it's a Glock. I want hey, Vybz, you're too bad, man. You're too bad, man. My viewers and subscribers. Poor Vybz Studio. I am going to ask each and every one of you. On a serious note, I'm going to ask every single one of you who is watching this video, if you feel comfortable with a person like Vybz on the YouTube stream, with this gun, alcohol, telling his daughter to tell me to go suck back juice my mother. If you all feel comfortable about a person you are watching or a person who is on the YouTube stream, if you feel comfortable about that, don't do nothing about it. Continue watching. But if you don't feel comfortable about it, do something about it. There's a lot of things can be done to people like this. Content creating is creating content. Content creating is not bullying. Content creating is not bullying down people. Content creating is not pulling a firearm on the platform, cranking it up, threatening a person, telling them you want to put 10 in their head. Content creating is not to be drinking and get drunk and tell your daughter and your kids to tell a man, a grown man, a big man, a human being, to go and suck back Josie's mother. That's not content creating. That's bullying. That's what we call bringing TikTok to YouTube. That's what I talk. That's what I call that. It's not content creating. It is bullying. It is trying to manipulate people. But just so you know, Vybz, you cannot manipulate me. Because remember where you are. You're in Norway. And you're on the internet. So you can do just about anything on the internet. But what I'm going to say to you right now, you say your daughter saved you. But your daughter didn't save you. The doctor and the good Lord is the one who give you another chance. The time when you were planning and going for that man, you should have gone. Yeah, you should have gone. Because apparently you believe that you're the only one who is ready. You're acting like you're the only one who is ready to use your firearm. You have your mother. I am 53 years old. And my mother, our father, rest in peace, my father, I've never heard me say any indecent language out of my mouth. And I am 53 years old. Way older than you. You're a boy to me. My son. And you are the same age. My son and you are the same age. You're a boy to me. And that's why when you did that try if you call me, if you link up with me and make we turn friend, that's why I wasn't going to be friend with you. Because the same thing you do to another person is the same thing you would try to do to me. And because I didn't sit down and do your little dirty work, that's why you turn against me. So I am always ready for you. So you can stay in Norway and crank up your firearm. I'm in America. And I won't crank up nothing. Here's my two hands. I won't crank nothing. Because that's what I don't do. I don't exalt myself. He that exalted himself shall be abased. You won't see me or hear me crank up nothing. Because I don't have that kind of time for waste. Vybz show you, but coupon you too. Both you are good father. Both you are mix up with Rodney's lifestyle. Vybz Shooter, you are dirty bongo, you are dirty bongo, you are dirty bongo, you are dirty bongo. Imagine you tell your daughter to tell me to go suck back juice my mother. You are dirty bongo, you are dirty bongo. Vybz Shooter, you can't test me, you are dirty bongo. Dirty bongo. Hey, Vybz Shooter, me not have time to waste on you. Me not have no time. Vybz Shooter, me not have no time to waste on you. And my viewers and subscribers, you don't go and hear me say nothing about Vybz Shooter. Me not go give him my energy. Me not go talk about him so people can see him relevant to go over him channel. I'm out. Me not call your channel name again. Of the few people that watch you, you and them can sit down. Cause you know a dirty bongo, you know a dirty bongo. Me no mix with dirty bongo, you know a dirty bongo. You know hey, yeah. My viewers and subscribers, until the next video, you don't know, I'm out. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed. I'm out. By the way, one of them tell me how me attire look. I'm going to put on it two of them. I'm going to just put on one so. I'm put on next one so. Hey, Ram say me can't dress me not. Then say me can't dress me not because hey, me not have no time for dress up and do all kind of them shit because me is ready to go make money as the clock tick. So me not have no time, but when I dress up time, we dress up, yeah. But anyway, I will see you the next time. Peace. I'm out. Bye bye.